Windhawk. This is a marketplace for modification windows. There are many variants of customization, settings, and many others. One of the main advantages is installing and removing mods in one click. A variety of settings as well as minimal impact on system performance and stability. Today we take a look at the standout modifications that I think you will definitely find interesting and that will improve your Windows experience. First mod that I will recommend you is Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Not everyone likes default Windows 11 Start menu. So in settings Windows 11 Start menu you can choose which theme do you want. If you want more themes for Windhawk, then open browser and go to WinStart theme. Click to Windhawk styles. The site gives you a bunch of themes that you can choose. The best theme that I chose was Modern Start Menu. To install this theme you just need to copy code. Once you copy the code, then we go to Windhawk. Go to Advanced, then you need to paste your code that you copied earlier. Be careful, you need to press right button, then paste like in video. If your theme isn't displaying properly, then go to settings. You need to check settings for disable new layouts and for only then you save. Then your start menu is displaying correctly. Second mod is Windows 11 taskbar style. It allows you to customize the taskbar. There are many different themes for taskbar. Choose what you want and go to the settings. Choose theme that you liked. Save settings. Ta-da! Let's go back to taskbar customization. With mod taskbar tray system icon tweaks, you can disable icons that are useless. For example, icon of microphone. Another mod is taskbar auto hide when maximized. This mod hides panel when you open full screen window. And for this mod I recommended taskbar auto hide speed. In settings you can choose the speed and smoothness of the animation. The stock animations are super laggy and has low FPS. I know that probably one of you think about how annoying size files but working in Explorer and folders just ignoring. And to find out size of the folder you need to open properties. So this fixes by better file size in Explorer details and program everything. Then download and install everything. After open program, then open settings, tab index, and on the function index file size save everything, go to settings and select show folder sizes by everything. After this manipulation you will see the folder sizes. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.